Samsung's new Galaxy Tab Lively 3 is now in the stores within the US. A rugged pill designed for powerful environments, it options an IP68 score for mud and water resistance and may stand up to drops of as much as 1.5 meters. The Galaxy Tab Lively 3 follows the Galaxy Tab Lively 2. And, like final 12 months' Galaxy Tab Lively Professional, it now works higher with gloves, providing bodily navigation buttons fairly than touch-sensitive ones, and there's a settings choice so it may well recognize touches in skinny work gloves. Subscribe our channel for more video news. Keep in touch with us, like, comment and share our video. Samsung is promising to help as much as 3 generations of Android OS upgrades, but it surely launches with the Android 11 OS. Different options embody a 13-megapixel rear digicam, a 5-megapixel selfie digicam, an Exynos 9810 processor, 4 GB of RAM, both 64 or 128 GB of storage, expandable by as much as 1 TB through microSD, fast charging over USB or Pogo pins, and a 5050 mAh detachable battery. Samsung stated every of the brand new Pill's cameras are optimized for barcode scanning. Plus, the Pill's S Pen is IP68 licensed, as nicely. The Galaxy Tab Lively 3 is on the market, in each LTE connectivity and Wi-Fi only variations, beginning at $490. It additionally launched final October within the UK, Europe, and Asia, beginning at £539. You will get it from Samsung Enterprise. For reference, the Galaxy Tab Lively 2 began at $420.